Do you want to upload inbound emails directly into Notion? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by typing in Zapier email to Notion on the main page. Then I'll click Try It to get started. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. Your trigger event should already be set. If you want to change your trigger event, you can select the choice on the drop-down menu or click Continue to get to the next step. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Type in the email address you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after a trigger is set off. Your event should already be chosen, so click on the Account tab to log into your Notion account. If this is your first time using Notion with Zapier, you'll need to connect it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Notion account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps fields. I can select from the dropdown or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Notion account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever we receive an inbound email, a Notion database item will automatically be created. I hope this was a helpful demo. And if Zapier's email app and Notion aren't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You can sign up and start for free.